Yo, podcast fam, what is up? We just got done recording episode 94 with Joe Hancock of the digital. He's the digital mortgage guy. What's up, man? That was fun, right?
That was a blast,
dude.
Man.
We got into his whole TikTok career. That's what's starting to happen. Career. So it's going to become your career soon. Are you prepared for that?
I'll be known as the TikTok guy. That's just what it's going to be.
You guys, so excuse my throat because I barely made it through the episode. Michael is super sick, so Mike, I hope you feel better, man. I'm sorry that you're not here. He's like feeling really bad. It takes a lot for Mike to miss work, and so he unfortunately wasn't here today, and I feel for him so much. So hope you feel better, dude. And you guys, so this side hustle was brought to you by Darshakhow Insurance. You guys, they sponsored this. They sponsor our episode. You guys, this is what I want. This is what I would like you to do. If you do me a big favor, right? I want you to go and email John Dar. All right, so everybody listen. Everybody go email John Dar. His email, I hope he doesn't get mad that I did this. His email is jdar, so JDARR at DarShakhowInsurance.com, and that's DARRSCHACKOW Insurance.com. So JDar at DarShakhowInsurance.com, and tell him that you want to sign up for his motivational videos on YouTube. John's been putting out these 1-minute videos, going around town, pulling in these other business owners and stuff, and just like having them drop a motivational quote. I've done one. It's really cool, and it's been neat to see the quotes from the other business owners, but really cool to see John like building out this brand as being this motivational quote insurance guy. Like, I love it. So tell him that you heard it, and tell him that Collin on the podcast said to do it. So email him and say, hey, I want to sign up for your motivational email of the day. He sends out an email newsletter, really quick, one-liner. It's just a motivational quote, and it'll get your day started just right. I need him to get thousands of emails so that way he just keeps sponsoring this podcast, you know? So you guys, go do it for me, all right? So, Joe, you've seen this, the side hustle?
Oh, yeah.
So this is our rapid fire.
Yep.
Okay? So I got to do it solo today, so bear
on you, man.
Bear with me. All right. I'm going to try to mix this up. But I want to try to hit all these, actually. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Favorite thing about Gainesville?
ACRs.
ACR?
Yeah.
Latch County residents,
yeah,
baby.
It's the fun part.
Favorite hype song?
Soundtracks, actually. It's not really a particularly song. It's just soundtracks. I like soundtracks, and they get me going in the right direction.
Favorite soundtrack?
Right now, it's Born Identity. Right now is one I'm using a lot.
Okay. Favorite band?
That's a hard one. Metallica.
Okay.
Or Megadeth.
There you go. Favorite restaurant?
My wife's cooking.
Yeah.
Frankly.
That's a good answer. If you were going to give your wife a break from cooking and take her out to a restaurant.
Liquid ginger.
Liquid ginger.
Yeah.
Favorite thing to do when you're not working?
Hang out with my kids and play.
Okay. Favorite quote?
Racing is life. And how's it go? I'm trying to remember it off the top of my head now. Steve McQueen.
Like Lightning McQueen?
No. But it's a racing is life quote. I can't remember the whole thing of it, but that's the quote. I can't remember it off the top of my head right off the spot. But
that's something that you're that you do as a hobby. I saw you do a lot of remote control car stuff, or what is it? Go-karts.
Racing go-karts and anything racing. I've been into that my entire life.
Dude, we could have a whole nother podcast.
Yeah, that's a whole nother. If you want to go broke, that's the fast way to do it.
Okay. Expensive hobbies, what you're saying. Favorite cocktail?
That would be Moxie and Kraken.
Is it making a TikTok or TikToking?
TikToking.
Yeah, is that what you say?
Yeah.
You're like, well, let's
do a TikTok.
We had this debate on an episode not too long ago. Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Dude, I need some tea right now, actually. Best advice you've ever received?
I've gotten a lot. I think on the business aspect, my grandfather said, before you ever start a business, make sure you're in that business for 5 years before you start one.
Okay. Favorite social media platform?
TikTok.
You guys, literally, listen to this episode. It's fantastic. if our podcast, so this is like one of my bigger questions, right? If this podcast could connect you to one person, who would it be?
Most of the people would be probably dead right now, but if someone alive, Steve Harvey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, I love Steve Harvey.
I love Steve Harvey. He's got humor and great advice.
Yeah. Own or lease?
Own.
Travel or invest?
Invest to travel more.
Okay. What are you afraid of?
Dying too early, so and leaving my kids behind.
Okay.
That I worry about.
One pillow or two?
One.
Do you have a favorite hack?
Not really. No.
No, you don't have like a favorite hack, like something around the house that you hack. Like with ours, like my wife will be mad that I tell people this, but our dishwasher, like the seal, it's weird. It's like broken, and so you can't like pull the rack out without. So like I have to like take this spoon and like pry it back so I can pull the rack out. And it's funny because I looked at my wife and I said, "Hey babe, when I'm a millionaire, I'm gonna buy you a new spoon."
I think that's probably the only one I have is that we have a closet door that constantly falls over, so I just screwed a screw in it so it wouldn't fall over anymore.
Okay,
so.
See, all right. I mean, and then there's like other like life hacks. You know, have a life hack?
Not that I can think of off the top of my head.
All right. Favorite snack?
Oh, those Little Debbie oatmeal cream pies.
Okay. Dude, I haven't had one of those in forever.
I know, me neither. I'm not allowed to have them.
Have you ever heard of the 161 group?
No.
That was their question. I asked them. I've started like asking a few guests, like, give us your question, and that was their question. They were on the previous episode. So, well, you should check them out.
Yeah, I will check them out.
The 161 group. So that's it. That was it. It's weird not having Mike here to go like back and
bang,
forth.
bang, bang, bang.
I'm like boom, boom. So again, let everybody know where they can find you on TikTok.
Joe Hancock 9.
You guys doing incredible stuff. We get into a whole episode talking about how he's really using TikTok to create the content and then actually exporting that content to LinkedIn and building brand on LinkedIn and Facebook and other places, but just using the platform in a super unique way. And I highly encourage you to check out the episode. It was a fantastic conversation about this platform and also hearing some of the stories too. So audience, if you would like to submit a question for the rapid fire, hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram handle is at Collin Austin. That's 2 L's, COLLIN AUSTIN. Just send me a direct message on Instagram and I will include it. And maybe your question will get asked in our rapid fire session. Last question that I have for you. Okay, what would you like to see happen here in Gainesville? You're an ACR. You've been here for all of this time. What are we missing? What would you like to see?
Be able to use plastic straw again. But
plastic straws, bring them back.
Bring them back.
Bring back the plastic straws. I love how they put the paper straw like in your plastic
in the plastic cup or the foam
big old
cup.
plastic cup. Put the paper straw in there. Okay, that's what we're missing. Plastic straws, bring them back.
Plastic straws, we gotta have them back. You know, I think you know what I'd like to see is actually the politics to go away. To just let's all work together. That's one thing I'd like to see. We'd grow a lot further in this town if we knock that out.
There you go. Heard it from Joe Hancock himself. You guys go follow him, connect with him, listen to his episode on Monday at 8 a.m. It's awesome. Thank you so much for listening. We love you. Leave us a review, subscribe, and do all of that great stuff. We love you. See ya. Bye.